How to fix the channel cannot be displayed on Telegram. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can fix this error. So this is caused because of various reasons. So the first thing you're gonna have to know is that if you don't have a stable enough internet connection, you won't be able to load the content inside the channel. So you need to have a stable connection. To do that, make sure that you are on your Wi-Fi network. And if you want, you can switch over to mobile data. And once you switch over, you can try to view the channel again. And if it says the same thing, try switching back to Wi-Fi and then turn on your airplane mode. Once your airplane mode is turned on, keep it on for like 5 to 10 seconds, and then you can turn it off again. Alright, so once you have done that, you can just scroll down, and then from here, you can long press on the Telegram app to go to your app info. And then from here, you can tap on the I button to go to your app info. Now you can try to clear your cache. So go ahead and scroll down, find the storage option, and then clear cache. Once you've done that, you can try to clear data as well. Now it will pop up the Telegram storage users, so you can clear cache from here as well. So once you've done that, go back and go to permissions. Make sure all of the permissions are allowed. And once you've done that, force stop the app once. Because if there's something going on the background, it could be causing the problem. So stopping it will fix the issue. That is pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. And I'll catch you guys on the next one.